Kindergarten Countdown, written by Anna Jane Hayes and illustrated by Linda DeVick. Kindergarten Countdown. My school starts in 1 week, so I have 7 days to go. Mom says, be patient, don't worry, but I can't wait, I'm in a hurry. 7 days to kindergarten. I'll be ready, I'll be smart. I will get a running start. I'll say thank you. I'll say please. I will say my ABCs. 6 days to kindergarten. I'll be ready, I'll be good. I will sit down when I should. I'll use a tissue when I sneeze. I will count my 1, 2, 3s. 5 days to kindergarten. Yay! Then I'll go to school in flashy sneakers. Oh, so cool. I'll wear my superhero sweater that makes me feel strong and better. Four days to kindergarten. I'm all set for show and tell, and I can do it very well. I'll bring my pokey little snail and talk about his slimy trail. 3 days to kindergarten. 3 more days and this week ends. I can't wait to make new friends. We'll take turns and play new games and practice writing our own names. Yes. 1 day to kindergarten. Now it's time to pack my stuff. Hope my backpack's big enough for my picture book and truck and shiny rock to bring me luck. School is just 1 night away. I brush my teeth and jump in bed with letters and numbers in my head. I will try to go to sleep by counting kindergarten sheep. 1, 2, 3. 0 days to kindergarten. I waited 7 days to say, kindergarten starts today. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a good week and I hope to see you soon.